Ka Sorkar jala klabatha ya borok ki MLA banyakran hala ki constituency na gabanta ban Pynkhlain ke Jingai Tika ya da na klam COVID-19. Uba IAID hek menteri katanar ka koi ka kya HYNREI palai menta katayo ulai thu ba ka Sorkar klapar shangkat badan kilat kilinti ban pensmo thu ikipaj ba halor ke jingdan kam ban ai ka Tika ya da.
Tu ki MLA baro bakin khat ka meeting hagi konstituensi lajong bakin kerpat daga benda ban yang vaksin haki konstitusi befer jongki MLA jong.
Ulai thu bamenta ka jala Meghalaya ka dan kandai pra hajar thali ki vaksin ani ki dawai tika barkadang pansho na ka Sorkar preng. Director jong health service Dr. Amanwar ulong baga jing Pynkhlain ka Jingai Tika kan ai ka jia dai ka jalahi brokway.
The economic activity has to go side by side with the pandemic as it is now. As we could see at present, the cases are more or less constant, 400 to 500, 400 to 500. And if we take the number of people who have expired from COVID, I'll give you only the figure, the rough figure, from January till May. The total number of deaths, total, is 8,000 plus. And only from COVID is only 400. So now taking that into consideration, taking the vaccination status, and we are very confident and very hopeful to see that this vaccination drive, which we have undertaken, will boost her up, and it will provide the necessary protection to the people of the state, plus it will give us, the health workers, the confidence.
Ulong ru beladadan kino ki bapin priang kubor hamsaya halor katika on penshitom kat kum kaan.
So what we can see now is there is a slight flattening of the curve, and with all the protocols in place and with the decision passed by the Honorable High Court, wherein it was clearly stated that those who spread rumors about the efficacy of the vaccination, severe action can be taken by the government. In these times of pandemic, we don't want to go into all those things. But we have seen the malicious intent of certain sections, wherein something which is good, they have painted it to be bad. That, I think the government will take a very strong action on this. So as of now, as we progress, as we move on, we hope that although COVID will always be with us there, we will be able to adapt to the situation and let life go on as usual.